Hi friends, today we're going to learn the names of all of these foods. We have some fruits and vegetables, and we have some eggs too. So first up, here we have an avocado. This is an avocado and it is green. Let's go ahead and cut the green avocado and see what's inside. Here is what's inside this green avocado. Okay, next up we have an egg. This egg is white. Let's cut the egg and see what's inside. Here is the inside of the egg, and you can see the yolk, and it is yellow and orange. Let's see, what shall we grab next? Let's grab this yellow banana. This banana is yellow. And here is another banana. Here we have two bananas. We can peel this banana. Let's go ahead and peel it and see what's inside. Here is a yellow banana, and this banana we can cut. Okay, let's see what is next. Let's grab something orange. So here's a carrot. This carrot is orange. Okay, let's go ahead and cut this carrot. Again, this carrot is orange. Okay, let's grab something red. Here, let's grab this watermelon. This watermelon has a red inside and a green outside. Here is another watermelon. This watermelon's whole, and this one's a slice of watermelon. Let's go ahead and cut these up. First, we'll start with this slice of watermelon. Next, we'll go with this watermelon and cut it. This watermelon is red inside and green on the outside. Here are some tomatoes. We have 3 different tomatoes, and these tomatoes are all red. Here are some potatoes. These are potatoes. Let's cut them up. Okay, here we have some onions. This onion is kind of orange, and so is this onion. Both of these are orange. Let's cut them up. There we have it. We have onions. Okay, next up, I see some corn. Here is some yellow corn. This corn is yellow. Let's go ahead and cut it up. Here's our corn. Okay, I see some purple fruits and vegetables here. Here we have some eggplants. These eggplants are purple. Okay, next up, we have some oranges. And the color of these oranges are orange. Let's cut the oranges. You can see the middle of these oranges have some texture, and it looks like we have some orange pieces inside. Okay, let's look in this basket. Inside this basket, we have some strawberries. These strawberries are red. We have 1, 2, 3 strawberries, and they are all red. So let's go ahead and cut them. You can see the strawberry seeds inside this strawberry. Here is a kiwi. This kiwi is kind of brown. But when you open it up, it is green on the inside. Here we have a kiwi. This is broccoli. We have green broccoli. Here we have green broccoli. This is an orange pumpkin. We have an orange pumpkin. Here is a pepper. This is a chili pepper, and it is red. This chili pepper is red. Here is a cantaloupe. Let's see what's inside the cantaloupe. This cantaloupe is green on the outside and kind of orange in the center. Here we have a pineapple. This pineapple is yellow with a green top. Pineapple. Here we have grapes. These grapes are purple. Grapes. Here we have a green bell pepper. This bell pepper is green. It's a green bell pepper. And here we have 3 pears. We have green, yellow, and another green pear. Here is a pomegranate. This pomegranate is red. And if you open it up, you can see all of the seeds inside of the pomegranate. Here is another ear of corn. This corn is yellow. Okay, we only have a few left. We have a persimmon. This is a persimmon, and it is orange. Here is a cauliflower. Cauliflower. It is mostly white, and it's got green leaves. This is like broccoli. This cauliflower is white. And last, we have a peach. This peach is orange. Let's cut it up and see what's inside. here is our peach. There's the seed. Bye for now. I hope you had fun learning the names of all of the fruits and vegetables.